Good day, everyone who's watching. My name is Bongane Ndimba. I'm the director of this institute, Infruitec-Nietvoorbij. We are based here in Stellenbosch, one of the 10 ARC institutes. We have many students because this is the focus of this National Science Week that are supervised by a highly capable group of researchers and technicians. In total, the institute has got over 300 employees distributed across 10 research stations, campuses like this one at Nietvoorbij and Infruitec, with our cohort of very young, very bright and mostly female students. For the campus, you will also enjoy their specific functions, and some of them will be telling you what they do. We've sampled them from a good number of our students that are doing various parts of our research. I'm hoping that this will inspire you to try and read a little bit more about the ARC. You can see our website within this video.
My specialties include food science, food post-harvest technology and chemical engineering. In our laboratory, in agri-science and omics laboratory, we work on a different non-thermal application of the post-harvest treatments for the South African fruit industry. One of the non-thermal treatments we are working on is electrolyte water treatment, which we're trying to replace the current application of chemical in the fresh fruit industry in South Africa. The other non-thermal technology we are specialized in currently called cold plasma technology. This technology has a wide application in medical sciences, but recently, due to its beneficial effect, the agri-food systems industries also are adapting it. And especially the fruit industry has a big problem related to fungal pathogen, and one of the big application of the cold plasma treatment is decontamination and surface sterilization, which doesn't have any effect on the nutritional value of the fruit, and also it doesn't have any chemical residual which affect the environment or human health.
My study mainly focuses on food safety and the use of electrolyzed water treatments in the pome fruit industry in South Africa, and I mainly focused on the apple fruit. Currently, many pack houses in South Africa use chlorine as a disinfectant, but there are many barriers that prevent the use of certain amounts, which limits the use of chlorine as a disinfectant in the food industry. The equipment that we currently have at the ARC is the Envirolite ELA 400, which works by the synthesis of a sodium chloride solution. It has two chambers which are separated by a diaphragm membrane. On each chamber you get your negative and your positive electrode. So on your negative electrode, that's where the anolyte is formed, and then on your positive electrode, that's where your catholyte is formed. I chose this career because I can have an impact in food safety and food security in the African continent.
I am currently working on the effect of cold plasma treatment on fruits, and the fruit I'm working on is mango. So what is cold plasma? Cold plasma is a post-harvest treatment. It's not thermal. So when you connect to the machine, it produces reactive oxygen species, and it's those reactive oxygen species which enter the fruit to inactivate the microorganism on the membrane of the fruit. So the reason why I have chosen food science is because I love the post-harvest technology part. The fact that I'm able to apply treatment to be able to extend the shelf life, and not just only chemical treatment, is especially the fact that I can use non-thermal treatment, because we know now that consumers are complaining about the chemical in the fruit that can be harmful for their health. So yeah, that's why I really love the post-harvest technology. Thank you.